families are fine and all of y'all are doing okay. So coming back to today's video, as you can already see, I am not alone. I am accompanied by Kunal Bakshi, my husband. This video idea is completely Kunal's idea and it is quite a weird one. A couple favorites, couple challenges. We have really seen so many of us keep doing it. We have also done it. So Kunal said, why don't we make a video of pet peeves, you know, the pet peeves we have of one another. So he said 5 निकालते हैं and we both started laughing क्योंकि हमने बोला कि हम 5 क्या हम 50,000 pet peeves सोच सकते हैं. But anyways, it's all a joke. This video is completely for fun and nothing to be taken seriously, nothing to be heard seriously, just for pure entertainment. And now let's get this video started. I have talked enough. I'm going to let Kunal do the talking now.
Normally क्या होता है, हम जब वीडियोस देखते हैं कपल्स की तो गुड हैबिट्स, बैड हैबिट्स और व्हाट यू लाइक अबाउट ईच अदर ऐसा होता है. बट तो मैंने ऐसा सोचा कि यार एक ऐसा कुछ करते हैं कि ऐसी कुछ हैबिट्स जो हमको एक दूसरे की अनॉय करती है बहुत ज्यादा, है ना, मतलब इरिटेट करती हैं या समटाइम्स वी फील इट्स वेरी अनोइंग एंड ऑल. तो कुछ एक पॉइंट्स निकालते हैं. निकालने के तो मतलब हम एक दूसरे को इतने टाइम से जानते हैं कि
I just hope कि ये वीडियो बनाते हमारी सीरियस लड़ाई ना हो जाए.
एंड वो होता है, नॉर्मली होता है. अगर ये लड़ाई हो गई और वीडियो आधी रुक गई तो डोंट वरी, आपको कभी नहीं दिखेगी. बट आई होप कि हम ये वीडियो बनाएंगे एटलीस्ट. और अगर थोड़ी सी ज्यादा लंबी भी हो गई तो प्लीज डू वॉच दिस वीडियो. और हम ज्यादा इसमें बहसबाजी नहीं करेंगे. जस्ट एक पॉइंट मैं लूंगा कि व्हाट आई डोंट लाइक अबाउट हर बिहेवियर and what she doesn't like about me in my behavior or whatever the way. Sometimes जब कपल साथ में एक आदमी रहते हो तो बहुत सारी आपको उनकी वो छोटी चीजें आपको पता चलती हैं and then you start hating them, but definitely you can't change them. तो let's start with this and देखिए इस वीडियो को और हंसिए. and 100% श्योर कि हर कपल के बीच में ऐसी कुछ ना कुछ प्रॉब्लम्स चलती रहती है और ऐसे कुछ ना कुछ छोटी चीजें निकल के सामने आती रहती है. तो लेट्स स्टार्ट. आई थिंक यू स्टार्ट विद फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन. एक तुम पूछोगे फिर एक मैं पूछूंगा, ठीक है?
ऐसा हमने एक फन वीडियो पहले भी किया था ऑफ 5 फेवरेट्स, है ना? So anyways, Kunal ने तो लिस्ट बना ली है. I don't need to make a list. Since it is your idea and your concept, why don't you say the first one?
No, it's your channel, your baby, everything is yours. So you start with the first question. So I will start. So मैं क्वेश्चन करूंगा उसका. ये एक छोटा सा मतलब डेफिनेटली कोई भी अपनी बुराई सुनना नहीं चाहता है. तो एक हल्का सा मतलब एक छोटा सा 1-2 लाइन में अगर इसको इफ शी वांट्स टू से समथिंग शील से एंड इफ व्हाटएवर शी मतलब मेरे बारे में जो भी बोलेगी, whatever I feel like saying, I'll say that, but 1-2 लाइन्स में, ठीक है? तो ये is just gonna be a very sweet little sort of thing.
सेंसर करके बोलना होगा, राइट?
हाँ, डेफिनेटली सेंसर करके बोलना होगा यार. यूट्यूब ही नहीं तो उड़ा देगा. तो मेरे क्वेश्चंस तो रेडी हैं. पहला जो है मुद्दा जो हर हस्बैंड आई थिंक रिलेट करेगा, दैट इज हर एंगर, गुस्सा. लाइक मेरे को समटाइम्स अनॉय करता है बट डेफिनेटली आई कांट डू एनीथिंग. सो हर एंगर इश्यूज क्या मतलब हर आदमी के एंगर इश्यूज होते हैं. बट मेरा क्या है कि आई एम वेरी मतलब मेरे को गुस्सा आता नहीं इतनी जल्दी. बट शी हैज दैट. सो मतलब दिस थिंग आई फील कि शी हैज दैट एंगर इशू. So Abhi, what you have to say about that?
Okay, so I completely agree. I do have anger issues and I feel that has gotten aggravated
since the time you got married to me.
Of course, since it is, to be honest, yes. And since you mentioned that I have anger issues, I think you should also be kind enough to tell me why I get angry, because when I feel something is unjust, see a lot of lies or something, I don't want to prove a point, but I just want to let him know that this is what it is. मैं anger में होती हूँ. He always says be diplomatic, learn to sugarcoat things, and somehow I cannot sugarcoat things. I just have to say things as it is. In the bargain, yes, a lot of people may get hurt, but I just can't sugarcoat things. This is me and I need to work on it. But yeah, what is wrong and there are no two ways about it. So that really gets me pissed off.
Nice. Answer थोड़ा लंबा था but चलेगा. Your question.
So I have to, since we are on the topic, I have to tell something. So if there is something or some incident or somebody I am pissed off with, in all honesty, Kunal has the same opinion about that person, but he will never let that person know. You know, when we are sitting in private, yes, he'll say that person or that situation was wrong, and you were bound to get angry, but he will never let the person, or you know, never let the other person know, okay, it was wrong. But I, on the other hand, I think I've come off time that it shows on my body language, it shows everywhere. Okay, the one of the million pet peeves that I have about you is that you are not proactive about getting things done, which I have told you several times. Even today we had a debate on it, and by proactive, what happens is that if something needs to be done, why should we just, you know, sit on it? But with Kunal, he will sit on it, sleep on it, bathe over it, wash over it, everything, and the time and the moment has passed, and sometimes it could be something as small as getting a thing done on a phone call, you know, getting something sorted on a phone call, or something needs to get done for the home. I will keep telling him do it, and he will have his cell phone in his hand, but he'll be like, yes, I'll do it, yes, I'll do it, and it just doesn't get done. And this, I mean it in a good criticism way, which I have told you. And yes, we all have our lazy moments, but I think one has to be proactive. Like, I see him being proactive for other people, to buck up other people, to make things get done for other people, whether it is me or somebody else. Agar kisi ka kaam ruk raha hai, and if somebody needs help, or if that person is not getting things done, he will get it done for that person. Even if it is me, or if it is other family member, friend, he will do it. But when it comes to himself or something around the home, I feel he is not proactive.
I truly agree to this. Definitely, I 100% agree to this. Whatever she's saying is 100% right. इस पे पता है, एक बहुत सारे मग्स भी आपने देखा होगा आएगा कि उस पे लिखा होता है कि एक हस्बैंड का कोट है जिस पे लिखा है, if I say I'll do it, I will do this thing, I will do that thing. You don't have to remind me after every week, after every month, after every 6 months. If I said I'll do it, I'll do it. So this is a joke. Definitely, I don't take things that way. मतलब जैसे for example, she said कि आज हमको AC वाले को कॉल करना था or something, and from the last 1 week she's telling me मैंने आज किया नहीं है. But आज जब and I'm sitting in the AC and it's a brand new AC and it's not giving that much of cooling. So definitely tomorrow morning I'll do that. So I truly I know that.
Thank you so much. I'm obliged.
Second.
And ये जो आदमी है जिसने ये सब मैरिड कपल्स पे जोक्स लिखे हैं ना, where the woman, the wife becomes a bad person, I really want to sue that gentleman. Really. Okay, go on.
अच्छा, मेरा second जो मतलब what annoys me कि is she repeats one thing 10 times. 10 times means like
because you just don't listen. Okay, go.
Like in a funny way also. In a funny way.
I want to give an explanation for that.
पहले question तो पूरा कर लो.
I know this. Because when we are sitting, for example, when we are having our meals, the TV is on. If I tell him something, if I'm asking him how's the food or something, I will ask him once, twice, thrice, 4, 5, 6 times, and it just doesn't reach his eardrums. So that really irritates me. And then sometimes, of late, what I've started to do is I'll ask him once or twice, and then I leave it, and then I tell him after a few hours, I asked you this and you didn't react, you didn't say this, and he says, but when did you ask? So I think मेरी जो बार-बार repeat करने वाली आदत है ना, is happened because of you and my mother, because you just don't listen. Because when I say things, I want it to happen, to get it done. I feel कि वो काम करके खत्म करो, finish it.
You're laughing, you're smiling. How nice you're looking.
You know, Kunal, if you want to betray, if you want to, if you want to portray me as a villain, and then probably there are some real life stories that I can share.
चलो ठीक है.
Now it's my turn. This one is when we are traveling, when we are in the vehicle, two things happen. The moment he sits down, I don't know, magically he just assumes that the person who is on the passenger seat also enjoys his choice of music and his playlist. So it is the same playlist. Some years ago, it was the black and white ghazals, which I never understood, I never understand, and I don't quite enjoy it. But if we were going on a long road trip, I forcibly had to listen to it and pretend that, oh, I'm understanding. But otherwise, other than that, it is those same Punjabi songs, and if I do make a comment, you take it very personally, which is not the case. But I feel that only when I'm in a bad mood, or if I've cried, then when I'm driving, probably the last song when we are just reaching home, that is just from our lane outside till the building gate inside, ek Enrique ka gana or Michael Jackson ka gana he will play, and thinking that he is made up for it. But no, it just doesn't work like that. I feel it's only polite to ask the other person, you know, what channel would you like to listen, what kind of music do you like, but you just presume, and this happens every single time. And while we are in the car, I also want to quickly mention that there have been times when he'll ask me, should I take a right or should I take a left? Now, if I say right, he will definitely take a left. If I say left, he will for sure take a right, and this has been happening for years. So I think very magically from this year onwards, whenever he'll ask me left, right, or if you're going for shopping, we need to park outside some shop, if he'll tell me idhar park kar do, I don't even bother answering, because I know he's going to do what he wants to do. So I have just stopped. And sometimes when I drive back alone, that's the time I play my playlist, and honestly I really quite enjoy it.
So अभी इसका मैं clarification दूंगा. Definitely I do that when I see. होता क्या कि जब normally अभी क्या हो गया कि earlier she used to drive a lot, but अभी क्या किया, she doesn't drive much after this pandemic and all. So she just sits at the passenger seat. तो क्या होता है कि जो
hardly even go out.
We don't go out much now. So होता है क्या कि whenever we go out, तो जो आदमी ड्राइव कर रहा होता है उसको एक, you know, जैसे बॉम्बे की ट्रैफिक, you know, कैसी है, तो आदमी थोड़ा सा पक जाता है. तो उस ट्रैफिक को एंजॉय करने के लिए I listen to all 70s 80s का सॉन्ग्स, मतलब 60s का भी sometimes, and गजल्स and all. And mostly अगर आपको कहीं जल्दी जाना है तो I put पंजाबी सॉन्ग्स, तो आदमी थोड़ा सा वैसे निकल जाता है. And she doesn't understand that. So
no, I do understand it, but it's
she doesn't enjoy it. Basically, she doesn't enjoy it. That is true. Whatever she's saying is right. I totally understand that. Like sometimes I when I go out with my friends, और पहले जब हम शूट पे आउट ऑफ बॉम्बे कहीं जाते थे, तो अगर कोई और फ्रेंड, you know, putting some English music and this and that, जो मैं enjoy नहीं करता, तो मैं फिर वही करता था, अपने कान में हेडफोन लगा के I used to sleep. So whatever she's saying is right. Definitely, I do that. I put my choice of music. So now you can put your choice of music.
So in one car, how can at one time we play two?
अरे एक आधा घंटा करके कर सकते हैं ना.
हाँ, we'll do that. जो हम पहले करते भी थे. Remember when we used to go for long road trips earlier, like more than 7-8 years ago. So one-way trip, he would play his music, and while coming back, I would play my playlist. So I think we should start doing that.
So अभी third जो मेरा है, which is like, मतलब, you know, हर बंदे की अपना नेचर. What I feel is that she is not diplomatic. You know, she is a very honest person, but she is not diplomatic. उससे क्या होता है कि कई बार like आज की दुनिया में, if you are not diplomatic, people start taking you in a wrong way. You know, like I am diplomatic. I say that because you have to be that way. आपको वैसा होना ही पड़ता है. मतलब आप किसी के मुंह पे नहीं बोल सकते कि भाई तू अच्छा नहीं है, भाई तू बुरा नहीं है, या बहन तू बुरी नहीं है, भाई तू अच्छा, मतलब whatever, फ्रेंड्स को, फैमिली को, किसी को भी. But I just मतलब, you know, सबको खुश कर दो अगर आप एक नॉर्मल कोई भी अच्छी सी, बुरी सी, कोई भी प्यारी सी बात बोल दो. सो आई डेफिनेटली बिलीव इन दैट थिंग, बट शी डजंट बिलीव इन व्हाट अकॉर्डिंग टू मी is not a good thing, but according to her it's a good thing. So this is whatever I'm saying is my point of view, it's not her point of view. So
it's not about the good thing or the bad thing, it's about the right thing and the wrong thing. And again, it's very subjective what is right.
Because there is not always black and white. Black and white के बीच में भी बहुत सारे
colors. The thing is, I don't tell a person on the face you are bad. If somebody is wrong, or the situation is wrong or not fair, like I said before, earlier I used to do a lot of people pleasing more than 10 years ago, and I think I've done my share of people pleasing. And then there's come a point in my life where past few years I've realized that nobody really does things to please me, to make me happy, and I've really lost all my patience to please people. And I feel that if I'm not honest, if I don't say what is wrong and what is right, if somebody is right, I appreciate, I go out of my way. But if something is not wrong, not just, not fair, if I I'm okay with it, I won't be able to sleep at night. I will make myself a mental person, which I have in the past, and you know, so just for my mental peace, I would like to just I want to just do me. I can't just
fair. It's totally fair.
Right?
Yeah.
So now it's my turn.
Yeah.
So the next point is the TV remote. That's right. The TV remote, somehow Mr. Kunal Bakshi feels that he owns all the remotes wherever he sits, whether it is the AC remote, the TV remote, any remote which is there. He somehow feels he owns it, and he only maneuvers all the channels. And yeah, sure, sometimes if he remembers, he'll ask, you want to watch something, but he will just ask. We are still watching what he is watching. Most of the times it is news in the morning, then afterwards in the evening, if we are watching something, again it is of his choice. Of late past few months, especially in the pandemic, I am enjoying his choices of you know, movies and web series, but I never see him being a part of my choices of web series and movies. So it is a given that wherever he is, whether it is at our home or at my mom's home, the remotes are always with him. He kind of captures it. And also, even when he's eating, I personally like the TV to be off when I'm having my meal. I like to be talking to the person next to me. Most of the times it is him. But Kunal somehow feels that when he sits with his plate, and God forbid the TV is on, the plate will be kept on the table second, but the first thing he's going to do is switch on the TV and just put on a news channel or something that, you know, he enjoys watching. These days it is a lot of automobile reviews that he is watching. So that is what it is, and it is a pet peeve, because I personally feel that the TV should be switched off at least when one is having the meals. What is your opinion?
रिमोट्स क्या होता है कि ये एक आदत सी बन चुकी है कि अगर आप कहीं पे बैठो तो टीवी रिमोट आपके हाथ में आ गया, और अब बहुत गर्मी है तो एसी का रिमोट, जैसे अभी भी एसी रिमोट इज स्टिल विद मी। तो एक बेसिक सी हैबिट बन चुकी है। और अभी क्या हो गया कि नॉर्मली वी डोंट वॉच मच टीवी चैनल्स, वी वॉच मोस्टली इधर न्यूज, आई वॉच न्यूज, और वी वॉच यूट्यूब समटाइम्स, या नेटफ्लिक्स देख लिया या अमेजोन देख लिया, वॉट एवर जो भी ओटीटी पे आ रहा है वो देख लिया। और अभी सी वी हैव kept just one TV in the house, like we don't never ever had kept another TV in the bedroom, because you know TV हॉल में देखो जितना देखना है, because जब बेडरूम में जाके आप टीवी देखना शुरू करोगे ना, तो आप रात के 3-3, 4-4, 5-5 बजे तक टीवी देखते रहोगे। So we don't do that. So एक ही टीवी है, तो whenever I switch on, she is sitting there, and definitely I ask her whatever she wants to watch, she can watch. So but
do you really watch what I want to watch?
हाँ, I watch sometimes ना, वो अभी हमने देखी थी Into the Night, क्या वो Netflix।
So that is something even you were enjoying watching।
मतलब definitely यार, like you also watch sometimes ना, जैसे Family Man हम देख रहे थे, या अभी हम शेरशाह and all those Hindi movies। Earlier she used to not watch all the Hindi stuff, but now she is watching it and she is liking it also, and same here, I also watch sometimes whatever she is watching। लूसीफर इसने मेरे को 3-4 सीजन दिखा दिए थे, मैंने देख लिए थे, उसके बाद मेरी हिम्मत नहीं हुई और लूसीफर देखने की नेटफ्लिक्स पे, तो नाउ शी वॉचेस दैट अलोन ओनली। So that is true. Yeah, that is true. Yeah.
Thank God. Now let's move on to the next. So guys, our camera died, battery died, so we're going to start again from point number 4. Kunal बोल रहा था something about me.
So guys, अभी point number 4 करते हैं, और point 4 is क्या था?
Trust issues.
Yes, trust issues मतलब you know ये बहुत जल्दी किसी को भी ट्रस्ट कर लेती है, चाहे वो फ्रेंड्स हो या इफ समबडी आउट आल्सो, यू नो, लाइक अगर इफ यू आर शॉपिंग समवेयर एंड दैट शॉपकीपर और हूएवर ही सेज कि मैम दिस इज वेरी गुड, प्लीज टेक इट, एंड शी विल जस्ट क्लोज हर आईज एंड शी विल बाय इट। तो कभी कभी मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि यार इतनी जल्दी किसी भी चीज पे ट्रस्ट नहीं करना चाहिए, किसी भी इंसान पे, किसी भी प्रोडक्ट पे, किसी भी वस्तु पे, किसी भी चीज पे इतनी जल्दी यू शुड नॉट ट्रस्ट। अपना दिमाग यूज करो, सोचो कि इफ ये हेड्स बोल रहा है, इफ दैट इज टेल्स, तो क्या होगा। सो आई थिंक आज की लाइफ में यू नो थोड़ा सा ये रखना चाहिए कि इतनी जल्दी ट्रस्ट नहीं करना चाहिए।
Yeah, that I agree with. That if somebody befriends me, I really go all out, and that's just the way I am. I really get friendly and I open up. It's not good. I should, but then also when I create boundaries, you say it looks rude, it sounds rude, but yeah, I get that.
वो मेरा point number 3 था। Sorry, point number 2, diplomatic हो जाओ।
Anyways, I got it. Yeah, that is something that I need to work on, and point taken. So I think अब मेरी बारी
Yes,
है.
yes,
Point
yes.
4. Okay, point number 4 is that it's a very petty pet peeve, but it is that Kunal eats his food really, really fast. Even on the days when he's not very hungry, he eats his food very fast. Even when we are sitting in a restaurant in the good old days, when on the weekends we would go out for like a dinner and a movie. But by the time I'm even halfway through my meal, Kunal has finished off his meal so fast. And also khana khate waqt he doesn't talk. I know it's bad manners to talk while eating, but even at home he finishes his food really, really fast. As in, by the time I get down to asking him how was this made, how was that made, if I've made 2 or 3 things, he has just finished everything. He's finished his meal. If I ask him, is food ka texture kaisa tha, how was this tasting, he's like, he gives very smooth, plain answers.
That's true. यार पता है क्या है? First of all, I am not a very fussy eater. You know that.
Yeah,
I am not a fussy eater. I can eat anything. Vegetarian. I am vegetarian, so I can eat anything veg. और मुझे खाना अच्छा ही लगता है because normally क्या होता है when we shoot, तो आज हम इस प्रोडक्शन हाउस के साथ शूट कर रहे हैं, कभी उधर कर रहे हैं, कभी बॉम्बे में है, कभी आउट ऑफ बॉम्बे है, like you know. और क्या होता है कि when you go on the sets, तो we normally production food because definitely it's not it's not possible to carry your food everywhere. तो you have to eat. तो मेरे को इतना आई एम नॉट ए फसी ईटर. और जो गलत चीज उसमें ये है कि आई ईट वेरी फास्ट. मुझे क्या लगता है कि खाना बहुत धीरे धीरे खाना एक टाइम का वेस्ट हो रहा है, विच इज अ रॉन्ग थिंग. आई नो, मतलब खाने को आपको अच्छी तरह से चू करके खाना चाहिए.
Yes. You need to understand what you're liking, what you're not liking. You need to cherish that food.
That is true.
Like
that is true.
when I would go out with my friends.
I remember we would keep ordering so many things, but I really have very fond memories. The best memories I had is whenever I've gone out with my friends for eating, and we talk so much and somehow
सीधा ये है कि खाना आपके सामने है, eat food and just finish it. And मतलब वो मैं एक काम करता हूँ which is not right. Definitely I know that which is not right. तो let's see, शायद change करना पड़ेगा सिस्टम.
So that was pet peeve number 4.
Now
And
it's my turn.
now it's your turn.
Yeah. अच्छा, ये जो पांचवा है ना, जो मेरा पॉइंट, इट्स नॉट पेट पीव, इट्स समथिंग जो पिछले 3 साल से मैं इसको कर रहा हूँ, मतलब क्या बोलते हैं इसको, एक्सपीरियंस कर रहा हूँ. अच्छा, वो ऐसा है कि नॉर्मली बेड पे एक जगह एक इंसान की होती है, एक जगह एक इंसान की होती है, राइट? लाइक अगर आप एक राइट साइड पे सो रहे हैं, एक लेफ्ट साइड पे सो रहे हैं. नाउ हर थिंग इज समटाइम्स शी फील्स कि मेरे को इस साइड पे मेरे को बुरे सपने आ रहे हैं और मुझे इस साइड पे सोना है. तो आई वाज लाइक, ओके, यू स्लीप ऑन दिस साइड. तो शी विल स्लीप ऑन दिस साइड एंड देन शी विल से, नहीं, इस साइड पे अंधेरा है, मुझे इस साइड पे सोना है. सो प्रॉब्लम ये हो रही है कि अभी मतलब मैं भी रात को मतलब 3-4 दिन मैं बेड के लेफ्ट साइड पे सोता हूँ, फिर राइट साइड पे सोता हूँ. यू नो, समटाइम्स क्या होता है कि लाइक व्हेन यू हैव टू गेट अप इन द नाइट फॉर योर ऑब्वियस रीजंस, आपको वॉशरूम जाना है, कुछ जाना है, तो मुझे लगता है कि इस साइड पे जमीन है बट इस साइड पे तो बेड है. बट जब मैं इधर सोता हूँ तो मुझे लगता है इस साइड पे जमीन है बट मैं सोया उस साइड पे हूँ. तो वो जो इंटरचेंज वाला मुद्दा है ना, मेरे दिमाग में है कि नाउ व्हाट आई डू इज व्हेन आई गेट अप इन द नाइट, मैं चेक करता हूँ कि आज मैं कौन सी साइड पे सोया हूँ. अच्छा, आज मैं लेफ्ट साइड पे सोया हूँ तो मुझे लेफ्ट साइड से उठना है. राइट साइड पे सोया हूँ, अच्छा आज मुझे राइट साइड से उठना है. तो दिस थिंग हैज बिकम वेरी नॉर्मल फ्रॉम द लास्ट 3 years.
Okay, so the explanation to that is I always take the bedside which is near the window, which I have been always taking since the past 3 years. And before that also, when I was in my room, obviously all the sides were my sides. But ever since we got married, I prefer the balcony side or the window side. So what happened is, कुछ महीने पहले I was sick and I got some really bad deadly dreams and I was really scared. And I just thought I should change my bedside ताकि मेरे सपने बंद हो जाए, and which really happened. So I changed my bedside and then we started watching some horror movies. So I just felt कि my bedside is near the door, तो अगर भूत आएगा so he will catch me first. So that is the reason I keep switching
तो
depending.
मतलब भूत को मुझे पकड़ना चाहिए आके?
No, not that. But at least you can fight, you can do something.
चल, भूत से थोड़ी फाइट करोगे, कोई इंसान थोड़ी फाइट कर लोगे आप.
Something by the time I react or I'll faint or whatever I'll do,
तो
but
उसमें से 5-6 ऐसे भयंकर इंग्लिश के वर्ड्स बोलोगे भूत वैसे ही भाग जाएगा।
जैसे पूछ जाओ, हाथ सैनिटाइज करके आओ। Did you take both your vaccine? Show me the certificate. So anyways, I think depends upon हमने क्या देखा है रात को, what kind of a web series or movie we watched, उसके हिसाब से my mood changes and I keep switching. But I give you that suggestion ना कि भी ऐसे सोने के बजाय let's try sleeping vertically.
बाकी तीसरा भी एक ऐसा है कि मैं रात को उठूं मुझे लगे कि मुझे उठना कहाँ है, मैं दीवार के अंदर घुस जाऊं।
वो तो मेरा काम है। So anyways, oh that's because at one point I remember हमने Ghost The Haunting देखी थी and I was so petrified and terrified with that movie. So in the night when I got up to go to the washroom, I was
एक अलग इंसिडेंट है, वो हम आपको एक अलग टाइम पे बताएंगे कि हमारे साथ हॉरर और फनी इंसिडेंट्स क्या होते हैं।
correct. Anyways, so yeah, that is something I understand that I need to work on. Okay, so now the fifth and the last pet peeve, that he snores, and that has not happened from the past 3 years. It's been happening ever since I know you. I think you were always snoring. I think when you came from Jammu, you got your snores with you. So you were, what happens is normally I'm on the phone and I'm a late sleeper. I sleep really late and past few years तो मुझे बहुत ही नींद की प्रॉब्लम है. I have major insomnia. So the thing is मैं बहुत लेट सोती हूँ 2 या 3 बजे and जब तक मेरी आँख लगती है, जैसे ही मेरी आँख लगती है he starts to snore. So you know I'm just putting a pillow on my head, I'm turning and everything because I don't want to wake him up immediately because I feel you know Kunal की नींद disturb हो जाएगी. But ultimately when I shake him and I tell him you're snoring, he'll be like what? Was I snoring? I'm not snoring. I'm not snoring, and he'll behave like as if कुछ नहीं हुआ. Come 10 minutes, again he'll start snoring. So yeah, it's not a pet peeve. I think it's just a habit.
It's not a habit, it's hereditary. My father used to snore कि मतलब अब जब जम्मू में my father was there and when we used to stay together, मतलब जम्मू when he was alive. So क्या होता था कि my father used to snore and so many times you know सुबह जो बाजू के घर वाले हैं जो पड़ोसी होते हैं बोलते थे कि यार बख्शी साहब की ना खराटों की बहुत आवाज आ रही थी. So this is definitely यार ये सच है. You can ask my mother. सीरियसली ये सच है कि और अच्छा 2-3 बार ऐसा होता है जब बचपन में हम जैसे मतलब हमारे जो मामा जी का या मासी अगर दिल्ली में था हम ट्रेन में जाते थे, तब सारे ट्रेन में ट्रेवल करते थे. तो आई रिमेम्बर कितनी बार रात को जो बाकी के पैसेंजर होते थे ना 3 सीट्स में मतलब 3 या 4 हम होते थे और 5 हम थे मतलब 2 बचपन में तो बच्चे माँ बाप के साथ ही सोते हैं. तो कितनी बार लोग आके उठाते थे कि भाई साहब प्लीज उठ जाओ अब हमको सोने दो, आप पूरी रात सो चुके हो. माई फादर यूज्ड टू स्नोर. आई डोंट स्नोर, इतना मेरी नहीं होती बट डेफिनेटली आई स्नोर बिकॉज 2-3 बार शूट पे भी मैं ऐसे सो गया. तो मेरे को एक्टर्स में एक चैनल वी का एक शो करता था, उसमें मैं सेट पे शूट करते करते मतलब हम बहुत लंबा शूट करते मैं सो गया था. तो उसने मेरा एक वीडियो बनाया था जो बहुत वायरल हो गया था.
You were really sleeping.
मैं मतलब बिकॉज हमने 18-20 घंटे एक रेगुलर एक साथ में शूट किया था तो आई वॉज वेरी टायर्ड. तो मैं बैठा और वो लाइटिंग तब तक चल रहा था और मैं सो गया एंड आई स्टार्टेड स्नोरिंग. तो पूरा सेट मेरे पास खड़े होकर ऐसे देख रहे हैं, पीपल वर मेकिंग वीडियोस. वो आई थिंक टाइम वो ब्लैकबेरी
मैं भी वही करती हूँ रात को. आई कीप लुकिंग एट यू एंड आई कीप थिंकिंग व्हाट शुड बी माय नेक्स्ट फैशन.
बट आज के लिए इतना ही. आज के लिए बस 5 ही.
आज के लिए सिर्फ 5 ही. इट वाज कुणाल्स आइडिया एंड दिस इज इट फॉर द वीडियो टुडे. आई होप आप सबको ये वीडियो अच्छा लगा and you guys enjoyed watching it. अगर वीडियो अच्छा लगा तो please hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, share this video with your friends and family.
Just एक चीज मैं आपको बोलना चाहता हूँ कि अगर आपका बॉयफ्रेंड है या गर्लफ्रेंड है, हस्बैंड वाइफ, मॉम डैड ब्रदर सिस्टर, किसी के अंदर भी कोई ऐसे annoying सी हैबिट जो आपको लगती है, डेफिनेटली उनको नहीं लगता वो जो आपको लगती है, तो प्लीज कमेंट करके हमको बताइए कि वो क्या है. वी वुड रियली लव टू रीड ऑल दोस you know जो अजीब सी चीजें आपको अच्छी लगती प्लीज हमें बताओ, मजा आएगा.
Yeah, so please interact with us, mention your feedback in the comments below, and with that we'll take your leave on this video right here.
And please ये लड़की it's मैं आपको टाइम दिखा देता हूँ. It's this 1 in the night, 1:15 बज रहा है रात का and she is doing so much of hard work. मैं तो अभी आया हूँ just 1 घंटा पहले, बट उससे पहले भी she is making videos. So please show love. Please watch her videos, subscribe to the channel, like all the videos, share as much as you can. Internet crash कर दो देख के and lots of love to you all.
Lots of love to you all, and with that we'll take your leave right here on this video. And until the next time, you know the drill. Why don't you say my last line?
मुझे पता नहीं.
So then repeat after me. Before I go, you know the drill. Stay extra, extra kind and be your own kind of beautiful.
Stay extra, extra kind and be your own kind of beautiful and be strong.
Bye.